And I'm going to show you how to build a quick view. And what we're going to look at is different assessments side by side, showing the students how they did according to the learning standards. So I'm going to select Aware. I'm going to come up here to Quick Views. One thing I will mention here is you must be a campus administrator, a principal, or someone who has district-wide access. Teachers do not have this ability to edit views. So I can click on District CBAs, 15, 16. I'm going to go with 4th grade math. And you'll notice Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to go ahead and select this particular unit. Now, with this being said, I'm going to color code my results. So now that we've color coded our results, we're going to compare across tests. Here is the data. It's listing it by color result, compare across tests. Over here to the right, you'll notice that I left where the students were because it doesn't necessarily matter right now. The green arrow with the clock is where students are now based on current class roster. The red arrow is where students were in terms of physical setting when the test was administered. This would make sense if you were looking at STAR data, but since it's a common benchmark assessment, that's today, so there's really not going to be any kind of significant change between the two. Also, you'll notice that I set this to students. With that being said, I can see Ava, Amar, and Cheyenne all listed on top of each other, and again, that's the layout for the rest of the students. If I click on Edit, now you'll notice that I have the one test here. I'm going to come out here to the left and grab the other two assessments. And if I look to my far left, I'll have that as a reference just in case I need to look over there to distinguish which folder I'm in, which it says District CBAs, 15, 16, 4th grade math, and I already have Unit 1 out there. I can bring out Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. Come over here to the Columns tab. I'm going to clear out this data because all I want to see is my learning standards. And sure enough, there's learning standards. And I'm going to drag and drop, and it says All Learning Standards. I'm going to come over here to Summarize, and I'm going to clear out this information. This now is going to be a vertical view. I'm going to click on Update. Now you'll see in the new view, you'll see Unit 1 listed here, along with the student name, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. At this point, I can go ahead and click on Print and Export to PDF. It will give you the format that you see here. I can save this view by clicking on the diskette with the green plus on it. And it will tell me that I have saved the view. Give that a moment. You will receive this prompt that your view has been saved. So I'm going to say OK. If I look in my bottom left-hand corner, it says waiting for aschoolobjects.com. I can now come over to My Saved Views, and it will actually be this first one. When I click on that, it will always show me this information that I see over here to the right. If I want to edit the name of this particular view, I can click right here, Edit. And you'll see the prompt for the title that I can change this. We have out there. And as you can see right here, student scores, I can just say, 4th grade math analysis report. I just hit save. It says OK. Click on OK. And there it is. If I want to, I could send this report. And again, it looks like an email. I can click on the plus and search for the person and send it. Now, keep in mind that once you do that, it's like sending them a PDF. There's nothing they can do in terms of switching over to a district or a campus or a district view or teacher view. They're not going to have that further analysis. So again, that's up to you. If you're wanting to see that, obviously just click on teacher and that'll change this, and you can save that as a teacher report, however you want to do that. But that's more or less how you do it.